Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create this gold and green glitter eyeshadow look. So let's start. First, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. For that, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Eyebrow Kit. I'm here using the darkest shade from the palette, and with the help of an angular brush, I'm going to fill in it. So for an eyeshadow base, I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Ivory. This concealer helps to conceal the eyelids properly, thus giving a nice base for the eyeshadow. After applying the product from the applicator, I'm going to spread the product evenly on my eyelid using the flat brush. I'm here using Maybelline Master Fix translucent powder to set the concealer in place. Let's start with the eyeshadow. As my first shade, I'm going to use this light orange shade and going to apply it just above my crease line. Moving on to the next shade, for the crease line, I'm going to use this dark orange shade. Blend in the second shade just beneath your first shade. Using this black shade to apply it on the outer V of my eyes. Now for the center of my eyelid, I'm going to use this green glitter shade. Apply the product on center of your eyelid with the help of a flat brush, leaving a 1/3 area for other shade. Now for the remaining part of my eyelid, I'm going to use golden shade from this same palette. Before the application of glitter, I'm going to apply two-way gel from Face Up. Now time to apply the glitter. I'm here using Miss Claire glitter in the shade Gold Dust. Make sure to apply the glitter in the patting motion. For mascara, I'm here using one of my favorites mascara. It's from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Time to apply the eyeliner. For that I'm using Maybelline Colossal Bold Liquid Eyeliner. I'm here creating an inner corner winged eyeliner. So this is the final result without the false lashes. And here I have applied the lashes. I really hope you like this video and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye.